What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing live back testing. Just show you guys, how I place trades, what I look for, my how I execute. So let's go. Just gonna come up here. I don't want to see the screen. Just come up to okay. Come up to a random time. Let's do last year April. April last year. Let's go March. Let's go March. All right. I have no idea. I completely forgot what happened here. Let's see. First, let's come on the weekly. Let's go monthly. What's the monthly doing here? Um, I mean, we look bullish. See the weekly. Weekly looks bullish. Possible sell-off. Did we see? Okay, yeah, possibly sell-off because we just swept this liquidity up here. We might start selling off. Let's see. Could put some targets over here. Potential sell-off. Let's see. I'm on a daily. Daily, I'm seeing signs of sell. All these rejection candles. Let's go on the 4 hour. Okay, I don't see much here on the 4 hour. I'm seeing these wanting to get taken out. I see this. Yeah. Let's see. See what happens. No setup here. Just gonna fast forward here. Go on the 30 minute. 30 minute we can get some nice quick setups. This might honestly come clap long here. This could come take this out. Let's see. There's no trades here. Alright. Any day now. What is this fucking bank holiday? I mean, yeah, look at that. One took that out. Why says, I, hmm. Possibly will sell. Come back here. I this I do like this. This would have been something I would have taken right here. Because look, we swept here and we broke structure. Another sweep, broke structure. Here, let me show you guys, make it cleaner. Right here. Sweep, break it, sweep, and then broke structure right here. Right? Broke structure. Another sweep. We swept all this. Broke structure. Um and in the high time frame, I'm seeing a sell-off. All those rejection candles. Accumulate AMD, power 3, accumulation, manipulation, boom. This is an easy target right here. Easy target over here. So let's jump here. Let's get a confirmation here. I would have, I don't have 5 minute. Fuck. No 10 minute. All right. Honestly, I would have set limits here. Let's say we entered here, right? Stop loss above that. Target down here. Com 8RR. See what happens. Um, any day now. This got to be the worst price action I've ever seen. Jeez Louise, man. Yeah, get the fuck out of here. It'll probably sell off now. Because this is our protected high. This would actually been a better entry right here. Stop out here. But like these setups aren't even good. Like these are fucking retarded setups. This closing price entry right here. That would have been actually much more ideal right here. And you target that. That would have been a more ideal. Look at that. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Clean. Yeah. All right. So stop out here and then entry here. So we lost 1R here. Gained 9. It's a nice one, clean. And yeah, here's the thing about trading. Like like you don't know which one it's gonna react from, right? Like it's you can never be certain. Like let's say you wanted to enter here, you could have put your stop loss up here for a protected, above the protected high right here. This is a strong high since we have the sweep and then the break. But like, look at this, 3 RR. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'd rather, you know, take a hit, take out my 1R. Okay, I lost 1R. And look at this, 9.2 RR. Total gain is 8 RR. I'd much rather take that loss and just get this win. You know what I mean? All right, let's see what else we got. This is a really nice setup. I should have seen this earlier, but like I said, like nothing's ever guaranteed in trading, right? Because it could have very easily came and then sold off from here, or it came to the extreme POI up here, 30-minute close, and then just sold off from there. This is a really nice setup. I like that. Let's see what else we got here. Um, Hold on 1 second. Timeout. Yeah, geez. Yeah, look at GJ. I'm currently in this one. I'm also on this. G Chip. I'm still letting this one run. GU. I'm waiting for buys down here. All right, let's see what else we got here. Um, let's go to high time frame. Let us know what's happening here. Okay. My draw is still down here. This is still my draw. Let's see, 30-minute. What's happening? Yeah, we might sell, but there's no setup here to take. Hmm. I want to see it take this guy out. I'm not gonna lie. If we take this out, I would I would be interested in selling up here. If it plays out, it plays out. You gotta have a system. You gotta follow it. I'm only interested in selling up there. Okay, boom, tap. On the 15-minute. See if we get a confirmation. I want to see it take this out. I don't know. I want to see it. If I see a 15-minute engulf, I enter. Oh, boom. Look at that. Hold on. Timeout. Timeout. Enter. Ooh. Enter right here. Stop loss above here. Tiny stop. And we can have that as our first target for a 10 RR. And then we target that 16 RR. Let's see. Take this shit out of here. Alright. 30-minute. Let's see. Okie dokie. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. We got stopped. It's all good. It's all good. Looking for a re-entry here. Looking for a re-entry. And turn off that. The wider stop up here. And then we lost 1R there. Same targets. TP1, TP2. Let's get rid of this. Same targets. And look at all this trend line. It's begging to be taken out. I'm in that. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Stop out. Uh, I will be salty if it plays out. I will be salty. Ideally, like let's say you didn't want to be greedy, you could have put your stop up here. You'll still be in this trade. I should have done that. But let's see how this plays out. Let's go on the higher time frame, just zoom past. This is not really a nice setup. This is not really a nice setup. But let's see. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's clean all this up. Let's clean all this up. Um, what do we have here? Okay. So as of right now, I will only buy if we come over here. That's the only place I'll be buying from. So, there's nothing to do here. No chasing price. That's not what we do. This is probably news. What was this? Yeah, 8 o'clock. Definitely news. That's it's not normal. Oh, this would be beautiful entry. We come and take this out. Look at this. Break a structure. What is this? What is this? Inducement right there. So let's see if we can come down and take that out. and then I'll be entering long. This will be A plus, genuinely A plus. Just want us to come out, take that out. Probably gonna take a little while. Here, I would enter this, right? I would honestly enter right here, long. I'd put my stop right here. What I'm using for my stop is I'm using this breaker right here, this breaker, and I'm using the how big the candle is. So I'm using that low as my stop, and then enter long, target whatever the high is. So let's see how this plays out. Okie dokie. Doesn't look like I'm getting an entry. Patience pays. Remember, guys, patience plays. If it comes to taps, we just have a higher RR trade. Jeez Louise, man. It's fucking crazy. Oh my god. Oh, that was definitely news again. Look at that. What happened here? This is just stupid. What is this? God. Alright. Let's go back. I mean, I'm really hoping for a tap. You know, this thing will absolutely fly if I get tapped in. Or I'll get humbled. Let's see. Guess that's same entry. Using the same entry. Now I have an even bigger target up here. Alright, let's go to 4 hour. Losing patience here. Wow, okay, just not even care. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. I mean, guys, if we get tapped and this plays out, this would be nice. This would be really nice. Let's see here. Let me get refine my entry here. 1 hour closing right there. All right, let's see 40 RR. See how this plays. This would be crazy. Let's see. Oh, we tapped. We tapped right here. We tapped right here. Look, the hourly closing. You see how we tapped down here? Look at that. Tap and boom. Look at how that shit. Like you could secure this right here for 8 RR, right? You can secure. You know, you could secure up here. Let's see how it plays. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. You can't make this shit up. That's why I say patience fucking pays. You can be securing up here. Like what is this right here? 20 RR. You're at 20 RR. Keep going. Keep going. It's going to 4 hour. This would have been idealistic like TP1 right here. Like you want to secure like 75% over here. 21 RR. But let's see how it continues. Let's see what happens. Look at this go, guys. This is why I say, hold on, let it just hit full TP. See if it does. It'll be funny if it doesn't. Getting impatient. I'm sure there's a bunch of setups within here. I just want to see this thing play out. And there you have it. 41 RR. This is why I say patience plays. You know, everyone's fighting for a point, 1 RR, 2 RR, and it's never guaranteed. You know, look at this. Look at this trade. Look at this trade. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Let's refresh. Let's do something new. What are we at? June 2024. Let's do your USD. Or honestly, I'm just gonna call it for today's video. Um, yeah, just just I wanted to show you guys what's possible. This is random as fuck. You know, I came back at a random ass time frame, caught a 41 RR, caught an 8 RR. Yeah, I'm currently in this position, and I'm waiting on this for GU. So yeah.